A question that I am repeatedly asked every time I facilitate a face-to-face workshop, an online workshop, or I host a YouTube live stream is, what sort of vinegar do I recommend using for sprinkling protein-based fabrics prior to eco-printing? Well, the answer is extremely simple. You can use any vinegar that you like. I just recommend you use whatever is cheapest for you. And for me here in Ireland, if I'm buying vinegar, I usually find that malt vinegar or white vinegar is the easiest for me to locate locally and the least expensive. I have also started making my own apple cider vinegar using peelings from homegrown apples. It's absolutely delicious and it makes really good vinegar as well for the eco printing studio. But don't be afraid to use, white wine vinegar. Balsamic vinegar works. I've used it in an emergency, but it would be a very expensive option. And it also contains a lot of sugar. Sometimes it's a balsamic dressing more than a vinegar that people buy. So I would say just stick to the basics: a cleaning vinegar, a white vinegar, a malt vinegar, an apple cider vinegar, a white wine vinegar, and you can't go wrong.